Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the keyboard color on an MSI laptop. Start by opening the Microsoft Store app. Once it is open, click on the search bar inside the store and type MSI Center. When you see MSI Center in the results, click on it. Now click the Install button. Wait for the download and installation to finish. When the installation is complete, click Open to launch MSI Center. Once MSI Center is open, look at the top of the window and click on the Utility tab. Inside the Utility section, find Mystic Light. If Mystic Light is turned off, click the switch to turn it on. Then click on the Mystic Light icon to open the lighting settings. You will now see icons for different devices. Click on the keyboard icon. This opens the keyboard lighting controls. Here you can choose a single color for your keyboard or select lighting effects like cycle or wave. Some MSI laptops also allow you to customize individual keys. Choose the color or effect you want, then click Apply. The keyboard color should change immediately. Now for basic MSI laptops or quick control without software. Find the FN key on your keyboard. Hold the FN key and press the left or right arrow keys. This cycles through available modes or colors. Remember that keyboard lighting options depend on your MSI laptop model. Some laptops only support red lighting. Thanks for watching.